How to use Pulse Bridge. Here's a step-by-step guide for bridging out using Pulse Bridge and MetaMask. Go to the official Pulse Bridge website and ensure it's the legitimate site. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask, or choose another wallet if applicable. I'll be bridging out PLSX, so in your wallet, find PLSX, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then on Token Details. Copy the contract address and close the window. On Pulse Bridge, click the Token Selection menu, choose Add Custom Token, and paste the copied contract address. Click Add Tokens. Input the number of PLSX tokens you wish to bridge out. Check the limits to ensure enough allowance for bridging. If you haven't previously approved the amount, click Authorize. A window will prompt you to enter an amount. Input the amount, for example 100, and click Next. Verify the gas fee and click Approve. After approving the transaction, wait for it to be processed on the blockchain. When the Send button appears, click it. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Check the gas fee and click Confirm. Wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. When you see this window, switch your MetaMask network to Sepolia testnet. On Pulse Bridge, click Claim Tokens and confirm the transaction. After claiming the tokens, click Close. To find the token address, click on your MetaMask wallet and ensure Sepolia testnet is selected. Click View Account in Explorer. Expand the Token Holdings section and click on your bridged token. Copy the token contract and import the token as you normally would. Keep in mind that gas fees apply to the transactions, and processing times vary due to network congestion. Always verify contract addresses, URLs, and other information to prevent scams and loss of funds. In case you are unable to locate your transactions, follow these steps. On the Pulse Bridge website, navigate to the Transactions tab located at the top of the page. Browse through the list of transactions to find the one associated with your bridging process. If your transaction is listed and you still need to claim your tokens, you can do so by clicking on the appropriate option within the transaction details. By following these steps, you can ensure that you have access to your transaction history and can claim any unclaimed tokens.